Hi, today we want to model a circlip. It's a simple part, but it has a little tricky sketch, which might seem complicated, but also it's a very good part to improve your sketching skills. So stay with me. I'm Irfan and you're watching Prime Engineering channel. You can see the drawing of our part and the download link is in the description. Let's get to work. New, select part. Select top plane and go to sketch. Draw a circle with the smart dimensions, and by clicking on the circle, you can define diameter. I need another circle a little bit upper. Select two centers and make them vertical. Draw a line and on the way down, make sure these two yellow symbols appears. Left one means your point is on the circle and the right one means your line is vertical. I also need a center line crossing from the origin. I select these three lines and make them symmetric. With Trim Entities tool, I remove extra lines just by left click and dragging the mouse. Width should be 5. Hold down the Shift button and go near the circle. It gives you the outer to inner distance. Another circle, same process. Also, another circle. I need two lines each side, so I select them and I use Mirror Entities. In Mirror About, I select Center Line. Now is the time for the final trim. Now I can use extrude. Before we go for the holes, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and leave me a comment. I select top surface and I go to the sketch. I draw a center line to use mirror entities like we did before. With the extruded cut, I make the holes. And we are done. Thanks for watching.